Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at the west side of Lions Club, west side of Oklahoma City. I'm out here. Got a few cars. This is their first annual, guys. You don't see many cars. I remember, guys, their first annual. There's one right here. I want to walk around and film what they do here. Give you a time check. It's Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. So let me show you what they do have out here. There ain't many. This is their first annual, first time they've done this. This is I-Rock-Z.
Checking out your channel, man.
Appreciate it, brother. I got 1,900. There he is.
Hey, this is gonna take them over here, isn't
What's
it?
going on, brother? How you doing, man?
Hey.
I ain't seen you since Bethany.
Yeah,
Yeah. You been doing okay?
yeah.
Good. Good to see you, man. What you driving today?
My driver.
Hmm?
I'm checking things out. I might go get the Corvette.
There you go. Last time I seen it was a car show at the auto show.
Right.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Check this out, guys. This is nice. Get some more of this I-Rock on here. How you guys doing? You having breakfast this morning? I see you. I don't want to disturb you. Huh? Yeah, I know that's right. Check this Impala out, guys. This thing is nice, man. This is nice. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Got 160 on the dash. Check out this big engine, guys. I got you on like maybe 6 or 7 of my videos because I see you a lot around here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What's going on, brother? How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
All right.
It's already done. I got it back last week ago Friday.
Got an old Monte Carlo out here, guys. I ain't seen these cars. This was like the 70s Monte Carlo. That's nice. Small turnout out here, but it's still good. It's first annual, man. First time they've done it, so you know, gotta start from somewhere. Everything has beginning. This is their first one, so show them some love out here, guys. Let's see, this is international. Let me see what kind of truck this is. L-120 series. There you go. Yeah. Old school, man. Look how old this thing is.
wagon. And I'm like, oh, it's pretty cool.
Nice. I've got an idea to make a double-decker wagon. And this is bad enough. This one, when you turn it, like this.
I like these old trucks.
Two wagons side by
I
side.
really love these old trucks.
Then put the third one up about like this high. And have a little ladder to get up in there, and then you just pull them around. You know, you can get a whole bunch of kids in that. Actually, this one I've got 5 kids. And it's hard to move when you've got 5 kids.
I bet it is.
And the wheels that are on that wagon came off of this.
Check this out, guys. Look at this.
This car.
This is one thing.
I got to get you on here. There you go. There you go. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, how cute. There you go.
Silver, what's the name of this Silver Streak? What's the name of this Silver Streak?
10th.
Oh.
It's almost 10th to Tulsa.
Mm-hmm. I see you guys made it.
Yeah.
Last time I seen you guys was Santa Fe.
It was. Amen.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Good.
All right. Check this over. What year is this? What? 50. 1950. On yet. I like it. Let's check out the inside. See what they was working with. Oh, look at the Jeep here. Oh, that's nice. Welcome to the jungle. I like that. Yeah, 100 even on the dash, baby. What you think, man?
Where are you going from here?
They got Choctaw, and then we're going out to Edmond to Kalita Kia. See what they got out there. I do dealerships and car shows. I go to both. Let me get you guys on here. Gotcha. I don't see you guys enough. Now you can see yourself forever on YouTube. Say that's me. I keep forgetting the name of this place. What's that? The Lions what?
That's the Lions Club.
Lions Club.
It's the West chapter.
Yeah, West Chapter Lions Club. I got to put it in my description. I got to get something to say it if I can put it in my description before I leave.
You got more shows today?
Yeah.
Where at?
They got one on. A friend of mine is gonna let me film his car in Choctaw, and then I'm gonna go out to Kalita Kia. They got some new Kias out there. I'm gonna put them on channel. Cause there ain't a lot of car shows in Oklahoma City.
I know there's one in Newcastle. There's one in Shawnee.
Yeah.
It's kind of hit and miss.
But you know I got a bad hip. You know that. I can't drive for so far, and I can only walk so far. So. But it's only what. So I got to get more than this. It's not enough. What is it? 6 cars out there? It's not enough. I hope so too. Well, look at this. Oh, we got some more coming up. What's it? Welcome to the jungle. I like it. Check this out, guys. Welcome to the jungle. And then we got a Rubicon. Where's your son at? Oh, with his mom. Oh, okay. Right. How you like that roof cut? Pennywise. Where's Pennywise? I heard that name before. Pennywise. Penny, see, it says Pennywise on the back of it. Yeah, that's that creepy dude, ain't it? Yeah, wow. Pennywise. Check this out, guys. It's Walking Through the Jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Guns and Roses, huh? What's going on, brother?
What's happening?
How you doing?
I'm good. How about
You
yourself?
got your new Rubicon? That's you?
Oh yeah, these are both.
Man, it's nice, man. These are both yours?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That one's my wife's.
Yeah, this you.
Yeah, and this one's me. We just got back from Colorado.
Really?
Yeah. We took this one off road and had to clean it up.
Last time I see you was in Bethany, right?
Let's see.
Route 66?
Yeah, I think we saw each other recently.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
but
So you
yeah.
came through that line and I filmed you guys?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let me
Yeah,
get you on it,
I'm
man.
fixing to go get my truck.
Okay. Pennywise, I remember that name. That's that bad clown, right?
Oh yes.
What year is this?
That one's a 2020.
What year is this?
That's a 14.
14.
Yep.
So this is a 2014, guys. 2020 with Pennywise on it.
Yeah, look at the front.
The front? Okay.
I got this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Pennywise.
Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, there you go. Right. Pennywise. There you go. Check this out, guys. Pennywise. This is nice. I like this Pennywise. Rubicon Jeep Gladiator. There's Pennywise right there, bobblehead. Rubicon. It's nice in there. 120 on the dash.
Did you register us both?
It's up to you. If you want me to, I'll go do it.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, thank you. I got to get all these ducks on here.
I got a few.
Oh, yeah. Let me get back a little bit and get this hole down. All right, guys, I'm going to end it right here on Pennywise. I'll see you guys on the other side later.